seen the video.
Today we're bullying Jackson. We're bullying this guy right here. Move, masked. Alright, we're just gonna bully Jackson.
Well, you're mean to by the way, Matt, Fire Guy's voice might crack like 10 minutes.
Shut up. No, it won't.
He's hitting puberty and I'm not.
No, I'm not. No.
What's up, gloomy?
So, we're just kind of chilling now because, they're way over there. We're just sitting here. I think he's after me now. I don't know where he is. Oh, there he is. You just call me weird? Oh, cheese wraps. Oh, cheese wraps. Oh, cheese wraps. No, I keep missing. Damn it! I'm just gonna talk stupidly the whole time so my voice can't crack. Dude, my screen's fogging up again. I missed the brand. I'm already sweating, bro. We'll probably make this like 20 minutes. Coming up. Why am I climbing so slowly? Oh, chat, you actually got him. I'm stuck.
I wasn't paying attention.
Everyone but me's been tagged.
I'm not tagging anyone.
We're just gonna chill up here because we're watching Jackson, the wild gorilla, try to find out what he's doing. Here we are, the noob of Gorilla Tap. I'm stuck. No, stop hacking. I swear to God, I will pull out my Asian chancla. What the hero?
I got him cooking.
Hero. Where'd Jackson go? Where'd Jackson go?
He went to a whole different map, bro.
You stupid cheater, Jackson!
Oh, never mind. No, you didn't.
You looked over here, so, I suspect I saw someone. I just have a feeling. You're so stupid.
We tagged you like 10 times from that. I just slapped myself.
Haha. Chat, once we train Jackson to get good at this game, we should make a clan. Well, not a clan, but like a group, a team.
Get juked.
Is this?
Yes.
Chat, I don't know if I just muted myself or I've been muted for a while. That's probably not good. Silence will be good for that. Where'd they go?
I messed up.
I don't know where they went. I'm just gonna. Oh, they're right below me.
Everybody type L in the chat.
That's great to know. Anyway, you also want to say hi to Jerry?
Oh my God.
So we're just gonna go live stream in here, bruh. Yo, what's up, what's up, Curly gang? I'm trolling. Now, where'd they go? Dude's still getting juked. Bro, how badly are you breaking his ankles right now?
Hey, dude, I'm literally I'm capturing a picture. My ear hurts.
Bing bop, bing 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 bop, bam. Type of rhythm on you wouldn't understand. Bing bop, bing bing bop, bam. Wait, is that copy?
Oh my god. Probably.
So man, what you doing? Whoa, that was a close one.
Next person I see, I'm kissing.
Yo, that was a close one. Zoink, Scoob. No, Dominic, you juked him into me. You freak bot. You know what?
Where is he?
Bullying Jackson.
Dang. Oh, come on. Ow, I just hit my...
Bop, bing, 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 bop, bam.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, turn this TV up. Mustard! No! Why would you get hit? You ruined the juke montage.
He probably put that as a clip and he's about to post it on you.
Yeah, I gotta put that in the clip folder I have.
Oh shit.
I'm just gonna take a chill real quick, guys. In this lawn chair. Okay, I quit in this lawn chair. Here lies a precarious monkey. Ones we call the noob.
Million people are killed each day by me.
The noob is an exquisite creature. Just got their VR last Christmas, and favorite words are "let's play mini games." As you see, he gets tagged almost immediately, because this exquisite creature is not very experienced at the game.
Oh my god.
We must watch from a very far point, or else they will scream at us if they want to play mini games.
I'm gonna hit the amazing juice.
And also, if they tag you most of the time, they immediately start screaming at the top of the where the nut did he go? I lost him. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Where did he go?
I don't know. Get away.
I fell. I come close. Okay, seriously, where the nut did he go? Did he run off to beach?
No, he's in soccer mode, bro.
Jackson, are you in beach?
He's in soccer mode. Ow! I just hurt me. Okay, I gotta go, guys. Bye.
See ya.
I'll be back recording right away. I'm trying to go eat like a normal human being and functioning.
What? Oh, nut. Oh my god, that was. Like I said again, this here is the extremely jukeable monkey. He is the most exquisite creature. No. Sign juke. No. Bro, you ruined my montauk.
Mama can't see you.
Hey, yeah. I like women. Stop. Anyway, chat, what's your favorite food? Not play. This isn't a live stream.
It's my answer to you.
Comment 1x, bruh. Nah, I'm trolling. Don't comment nothing.
No, my answer to the light snack is
Because LeBron James. Nah! Oh, what? 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 Ha! Ah, I jumped into that. My brother. Why is you giggling like you ate, bruh? Oh no, guys, he's catching up. Whatever should I do? He's gonna get me, guys. One day. Oh, damn. I don't know where he went. Oh, I see him now. Hi, how's it going? Here lies a peculiar creature, the one that sucks to exceed in the gorilla tag obstacle course. In the gorilla tag hero courses, just like 1A. Like my hero. How did that hit me? No, I'm playing. That hit me. Alright, let's go. Bro, you have no. Oh, damn. Up. I predicted it. I totally didn't accidentally throw my hands up and it hit you. Oh, crap. My thing was bugging. No, I'm trolling. I just missed.
You just got unlucky. Oh, fuck.
I got lucky. Not. I fell fully.
Where did you fucking go?
I don't know. That's besides the point.
Those ankles that I got, my ankles are gross. Kids will not see.
This is what happens when I exceed in the gorilla tap. I lost him. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. Here lies a peculiar creature. The gorilla. I falled like 13 times. This new creature, as gorilla, is mostly new to the game. This creature known as the gorilla does not really know what he's doing.
Cut the camera on, leave it.
What?
Cut camera. We're doing a different video.
He quits. He quits. He's done. Alright, I guess that's it. That's bullying Jack. He left. That's bullying Jackson. See ya.